bathi bakusentence to how many years?
Banisentence with 32 years life sentence.
You. Plus another 4 years.
Okay. Babuza bana is like akabe bambe kum lento. Akabe bambe kum I-drug. It's supposed by at least ban life. At least if ama ugotywa umuntu omhlawumbe ndithi oze nayo okanye othiyeni
ebhaqwe
kuyezinweleni kuma ikho kum
ize no DHL
ize no DHL and I understand by why what why lawyer lapha is like this in Mauritius it's not in South Africa but in South Africa ilanke yayo enaluhlobo nathi benze labo uhlobo you understand so yaba njalo kana gotywa i-32 years wabuza isakhumbula ngoku sase e-Supreme Court in Port Louis capital town of Mauritius Ashraf Kunai wa room number 4 I remember actually number 4 so yabuza ke ngu-Ashraf Kunai bana what you say in court about ubanjiwe Mauritius what you say in court but what do you say in court that mina undibambile ne okay 32 years ndinike yona i-16 years yakho i-16 years yam but eyam I will leave it in Mauritius 16 years which is true ke nyandabanjwa i-32 years andigqibe ne-16 years mina but atsho nge-French that udolma trang deso c'est pour moi but pour moi mo vous quitter ici dans Maurice siya ngolo hlobo
hey
Ah, yeah, we're taking over the jungle. Hey.